In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a pipeline in Pipedrive. Duplicating a pipeline is a great way to reuse a proven sales process without starting from scratch. Maybe you're rolling out a regional variant, testing a new stage order, or protecting a working setup before experimenting. In just a few clicks, you can copy your existing pipeline structure and keep your original untouched. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Pipedrive website. If you're not already signed in, click Login and enter your account credentials. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, complete that step as usual. Make sure you're using an account with permission to manage pipelines. If you don't see the options in this walkthrough, you may need an admin to grant access. Once you're in, go to the Deals section. This is where your pipelines live and where pipeline level settings are managed. At the top of the Deals view, confirm that you're looking at the pipeline you want to copy. If you manage multiple pipelines, use the pipeline selector to switch to the one you intend to duplicate so you don't accidentally copy the wrong setup. Next, look for the Edit option beside your pipeline's name. This is typically shown as an edit or pencil icon near the pipeline title. Click it to open the pipeline editing view. Here, you're not changing your stages yet. You're just accessing the controls that let you duplicate the pipeline safely. On the right side of the editing screen, find the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Actions or Overflow menu. Click that to reveal additional options specific to the pipeline you're editing. From that menu, choose Duplicate Pipeline. This tells Pipedrive to create a new pipeline using the same structure as the one you have open, including its stages and their order. A confirmation panel will appear. If you're prompted to name the new pipeline, choose a clear, descriptive name so teammates can recognize it at a glance. Adding context like the date, team, or purpose can help keep your workspace organized. When everything looks correct, click Save to confirm. Pipedrive will create the duplicate and return you to your pipelines. You should now see the new pipeline available alongside your originals. Switch into it to verify that the stages are in place and ready to use. From here, you can customize the duplicate without affecting the source pipeline, which is ideal for testing changes or tailoring the process for a specific segment. That's it. Your pipeline is duplicated and ready to go. Use this approach anytime you want a consistent starting point while keeping your existing workflow intact.